From the moment the 2026 Ford Mustang Nova comes into view, you feel something different, something powerful, something futuristic, something that instantly tells you this is not just another Mustang. This is a machine built to disrupt everything we know about American muscle cars. A car that carries the legendary Mustang soul, but wrapped in a body shaped by the future. The Nova isn't just a new chapter, it's an entirely new book in Ford's performance history. The first thing that catches your eye is the design. Ford has taken every classic Mustang element and reinvented it with the kind of precision and technology you'd expect from a concept car. The front fascia is aggressive, sharp, and built for aerodynamics. Ultra-slim LED headlights slice through the darkness like laser beams, while the illuminated Mustang Nova badge glows proudly in the center. The hood muscles up with deep character lines, and the air vents look like they belong on a fighter jet rather than a road car. But it's the body shape that truly steals the show. The Nova is lower, wider, and more sculpted than any Mustang before it. The curves flow smoothly into sharp aero channels, creating a design that's both artistic and functional. The deep titanium silver paint shines like wet chrome under showroom lights, giving the car an almost liquid metal appearance. Every angle catches reflections, every contour casts shadows, the car feels alive even when standing still. Ford didn't just design a muscle car, they designed a moving sculpture of performance. Walk around to the side profile, and you immediately notice the stance. This thing sits like a predator, grounded, focused, ready to attack. The wider hips, the extended wheel arches, and the massive performance rims give the Nova a road presence that demands attention. The black aero panels, the sculpted rocker lines, and the tinted glass all add to its modern, stealthy look. It's futuristic, but the Mustang DNA is unmistakable. Now let's talk about the rear, because Ford has completely transformed the classic Mustang tail design. The 3-bar LED taillights are still there, but now they're sharper, more dynamic, and connected by a glowing LED strip that stretches across the trunk. The diffuser looks race-ready, the quad exhausts sit deep and aggressive, and the rear spoiler blends seamlessly with the body lines. From behind, the Nova looks powerful, muscular, and absolutely ready to launch. But the real magic begins once you step inside. The interior of the 2026 Mustang Nova feels like stepping into a high-tech cockpit built for the future. The dashboard is dominated by a wide curved digital display that stretches across the driver's view. It's sharp, responsive, and customizable. The holographic HUD floats information in midair, giving you speed, performance data, and navigation without taking your eyes off the road. The materials are premium from top to bottom. Black diamond leather wraps the seats with Arctic white stitching tracing every contour. The ambient LED lighting flows softly through the doors, dashboard, and footwells, creating a futuristic glow that reacts to your drive mode. Whether you choose comfort, sport, track, or Nova mode, the interior atmosphere shifts accordingly, brighter, darker, or more aggressive. The center touchscreen is something completely new. Floating like a piece of futuristic glass, it features Ford's next-generation interface with crystal-clear animations, instant touch response, and AI-assisted controls. Climate, media, suspension settings, exhaust sound tuning, everything is just a tap or swipe away. Even the door panels feature advanced 3D textures and sleek LED strips that pulse gently when you start the car. Sit in the driver's seat, and you immediately feel the performance spirit. The flat-bottom steering wheel carries the glowing Mustang Nova logo at the center, surrounded by chrome black detailing and integrated drive buttons. Paddle shifters sit behind the wheel ready for action, and every switch and control has a premium metallic click. This is a cockpit built for speed, but refined for luxury. But what truly defines the Mustang Nova is the heart beating under the hood. Ford has introduced an all-new high-output hybrid V8, combining raw engine power with instant electric torque. The result? Explosive acceleration that feels immediate and relentless. The Nova delivers a launch that pins you back into your seat with force you can feel in your chest. And the sound? Oh yes, the sound is pure Mustang. Deep, thunderous, and soulful, but enhanced with futuristic resonance thanks to the hybrid system. On the road, the Nova is a different beast. It's more controlled, more intelligent, more precise than any Mustang in history. The performance-tuned suspension adapts in real time, The active aero adjusts with speed, and the traction systems deliver maximum grip without killing the fun. Through corners, the car feels planted and confident, moving with the agility of a modern supercar rather than a traditional muscle car. Ford has transformed the muscle experience into something sharper and more refined. Whether you're cruising down a highway, flying through mountain curves, or launching from a standstill, the Nova feels unstoppable. The combination of hybrid torque, V8 power, and aerodynamic engineering creates a driving experience that's both thrilling and effortless. Its performance meets intelligence, muscle meets evolution. And that's really what the 2026 Ford Mustang Nova represents: evolution. It's Ford proving that muscle cars can survive the future, not by abandoning their identity, but by upgrading it. The Nova honors the past while embracing tomorrow. It's bold, it's powerful, it's beautiful, and it's smart.